One of the challenges in working with work sites is the variety of individuals at every company. Some have elevated health risks and some are pretty healthy. If we take a simple example like we have here on the screen of employees, here's 100 employees at a work site. We know that at this particular work site, 29% are obese. We know they're in there with everybody else. We also know that about 17% of this particular work site has high blood pressure. Some of these people are the same. They may have high blood cholesterol or high blood pressure and obesity. But we know that this group has high cholesterol levels, 7%, and a few of these people have high blood glucose. So a typical work site has all of them mixed in together. We have those at low risk, the healthy individuals, mixed in with those who have elevated health risks. The challenge is how do we handle all of these and help all of them maintain or become healthier? Well, we know the group that's healthy is going to do well. We're not particularly worried about them. We want to reward them and provide them with an incentive. So reward the healthy, and we want to work with those who are at risk. The healthy group probably is going to qualify for your incentive. We'd like the at-risk group to do the same. They're going to have to earn the incentive. And this is what we call WellSteps Plus, or a health contingent wellness program focusing on those who are at risk. So we take this group, how do we get them to qualify for the incentive if they're at risk? Well, we'd like them to meet some risk reduction goal. They can lower their health risks, or they can complete some alternative standard. We can even determine what that goal is. How much lower blood cholesterol, how much lower blood glucose, how much lower obesity. We can set that goal however we want it. We'd like them all to reach the goal. If they can't, there's an alternate standard. And these can be any number of things, like submit a physician's form that they're in compliance with their medication. They participate in health coaching or disease management or a wellness campaign, or you get the idea. There's a variety of things we can do, interventions, to help the at-risk lower their health risks. And if they lower their health risks, then they can join the others and become part of those who are getting the incentive. So the at-risk group is the one that costs the most. They're the ones that are hardest to reach. They're the ones who are sometimes the least participating. But if we can get them and engage them and encourage them to be healthy, then they joined the healthy populations at work. Now there's this group that still are elevated health risk and still refuse to participate or do an alternate standard. That group doesn't get the incentive. They're going to have to pay a little bit more. But then we've got the group that's healthy now, and this group is growing. Those that are at risk, we do some things. We used to call this disease management, but we're talking about pre-disease management, where we might do some nurse coaching. We might have medication management, do regular screenings and coordinate their care. That's typical disease management. We're talking about pre-disease. Now we want to help them change their behaviors. We want them to arrest and maybe even reverse the progress they're making towards disease. We want to use videos and webinars and social support to encourage them to maintain a healthy lifestyle. And then most importantly, we want to track all of this and make it really easy to determine who's at risk, who's not, who's changed, who gets the incentive, who doesn't. We want to make it really simple. Now, there's one thing we sometimes forget. We have a healthy population that's doing really, really well. We want to keep the healthy healthy. So we want this group to continue to participate in our wellness programs. When we use this process of tracking the healthy, the at-risk, using the software to determine who's in what group, we make this process of population health management a lot easier. WellSteps calls this the WellSteps Plus solution. You can learn more about it and our other solutions at wellsteps.com.